Vanrail is a local South African manufacturer of air brake hoses and rolling stock subsystems, but primarily for brake systems. Some of the examples that we make are the air brake hose itself with the end fittings. The hose, the fittings, all either locally cast or machined and assembled. We also make a number of the other fittings that go down the brake pipe, the end cocks, the dirt collectors, a number of the different T-pieces and associated parts. And then we also start making end fittings for European style brake hoses. These are for the UIC approved brake assembly parts. And of course we have our traditional range of vacuum brake products as well. The vacuum hose, the dummy couplings and associated parts. We also make a variety of other mechanical parts for rolling stock bogies and brake systems.